Hey, guess what? I learned how to whistle. Listen to this. I'm gonna do it one more time because it was so good. And for the third and final time now. Whoa, I see something. It's beautiful. It's a dog, but it's beautiful. I know I'm a cat, and I should be attracted to cats, but this dog is beautiful. Let me show you. Hi. She is beautiful. I hope she likes me. You're ugly. Go away. What? She's what? My dream. I'm so angry now. Who cares? At least I learned how to whistle.